What's up everybody? Welcome back to another straight triple point tutorial. And today we're going to talk about the 5 ways to do fans. Let's get started. So the first way to do a fan is just the basic fan, which looks like this. You can do this for an infinity, or you could close it like this, but here's how it works. So for the basic fan, you're going to want to flip out with your butterfly knife. And once it hits your knuckle and it gets in this kind of flat position, you're going to want to, using your thumb and your index finger, twist. And it should start spinning and keeping it like this. And if you just keep moving your thumb to the side in this motion, while you're this is the motion you want. And when you do that, it'll keep the butterfly knife for your hands. You can also use more wrist if you bring your wrist up and down. But yeah, that's how you do the basic fan. And you can always reverse it, which looks like this, which is a little bit harder, but yeah, that's the basic fan. Looks like that. You're just gonna want to keep that motion that I was showing you, and really only start spinning once it lands completely flat, then it will do the fan. The next fan we're gonna learn is the backhand fan, which starting from this position, you're gonna want to flick out, and as soon as it gets flat like this on your finger, you're gonna do like that. So flick out, get it completely flat on the back side of your hand, and using your wrist, you're gonna want to like kind of flick out, and it should spin some. You can kind of let go your pinky some, but that's kind of how I first learned it, but now I can smooth it up, and you just want to flick with it and then bring it back up. The next fan is called the palm fan. So starting like this, you're gonna want to grab one handle and flick up and get to the balisong on the flat position here, and using these 4 fingers, pull like this, and use your thumb to push the butterfly knife. So pull, push, and it should start twisting. Pull, push. You can do this slow, but as soon as it gets flat, pull with these, and you can just use your thumb to handle the momentum. See? Oh, that's just all the momentum, but yeah. The next fan is called the choker fan, which is probably one of the hardest fans. So you're gonna want to flip out and get these 3 fingers on your thumb here. You're gonna want to pull up in this motion, like this, and as it starts to get into the flat position, you're gonna want it to go with this finger out. You're gonna want these 2 fingers to latch on. Once it comes out, this finger to latch on, and then finally let go of this finger and bring your whole hand in. So it looks like this. That's all it looks like. Now the hardest part is gripping. You're gonna want to kind of like move your fingers in this like twisting thing like this. So your fingers are gonna be doing that. But just from each thing, you kind of really just need to keep the momentum the whole time. So flip out, flip in, and really it helps to bring your whole wrist up when you're first learning it. But now you can do it without the wrist. Now the hardest part about the choker fan is keeping your fingers gripped while it's spinning up. So you really want to like get a loose grip, but also hold tight onto the butterfly knife. Just really focus on once these fingers come, just continue to slide your fingers up, one at a time, from here, 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 to even thumb at the end. Just keep your momentum, and if you pull up, it's easier, so start lower, pull up, and it should just kind of glide up your fingers. So the final fan, I've already done a tutorial on, which is the Z choker. You do an overhand ladder like this, and from this ladder position, let this handle drop, and as it's doing it, flick your wrist up and do a choker, and then you'll have your fan like that. I'm not gonna go too in depth with that, because you can watch my other video right here, but yeah, that's most of the fans. So here's a slow-mo, and here's all of them together in one combo. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.